Let's take a moment to center ourselves and cultivate a sense of ease and clarity in the face of life's competing demands. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes gently, and let your breath guide you into this brief meditation. Inhale deeply, acknowledging the array of tasks that fill your days. Exhale any tension, allowing your shoulders to soften and your mind to settle. Visualize this week's demands as a gentle flow of tasks, each with its own weight and importance. Picture the tasks before you, and with each breath, allow clarity and confidence to emerge. Consider a task that stands before you. Is it a do that requires an immediate attention? Can it be deferred for a more suitable time? Is there an opportunity to delegate to share the load? Or perhaps it's time to bravely delete what no longer serves you? With each breath, feel the weight lift as you consciously prioritize with ease. May your week be filled with moments of clarity, ease, and the wisdom to prioritize with intention.